Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on the Mortal Kombat game. So let's get started right away. If you already have the Mortal Kombat game installed on your system, then go ahead and open it up first. Once you open it up, you will need to complete the tutorial before you can set up or change your name. After you complete the tutorial, you will gain access to this screen from which you can modify your name. In order to change your name, simply tap on the new player that you see at the top left corner, and from there you will be allowed to set up your profile name. Simply tap on add profile name and then you will be allowed to enter your username. Just type in your desired username and then tap on the OK button and then tap on the accept button, and now your name will be set. In case you wish to change your name, you can tap on your username anytime and then tap on change profile name, and now you can change your name once again. After changing it, simply tap on accept and your change will immediately be saved. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your name on the Mortal Kombat game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.